Patriots Technology Training Center.
The Patriots Virtual Summer Camp provides virtual workshops and competitions.
Coming soon.
Patriots
Virtual Summer Camp.
The Patriots Virtual Summer Camp.
4 weeks, 4 days, 4 hours per day.
You will enjoy interesting workshops and competitions.
Starts June 21st, 9 o'clock a.m. through 1 o'clock p.m.
Any students 5th grade to 12th grade.
Esports and video game design. Info about animation, coding, and scaling.
Jingles and beats about making music for radio and TV commercials.
Airport madness. Learn about becoming an air traffic controller. Let's see how many planes you can land. It's flight time.
Cybersecurity about coding, hacking, and system protection.
This will be a great opportunity for students to get in-depth knowledge about technology.
Summer Camp, 4-week sessions of STEM workshops.
The Patriots Virtual Summer Camp provides virtual workshops and competitions so you can win cash gift cards.
You will enjoy interesting workshops and competitions.
4 weeks, 4 days, 4 hours per day. Starts June 21st, 9 o'clock a.m. through 1 o'clock p.m.
For details about fees, membership, and more info, contact
Patriots Technology Training Center.
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 Patriots Technology Training Center. The Patriots Virtual Summer Camp provides virtual workshops and competitions so you can win cash gift cards.
Any students 5th grade to 12th grade. Summer Camp, 4-week sessions of STEM workshops.
Summer Camp 4-week sessions of STEM workshops.
Patriots Technology Training Center.
You will enjoy interesting workshops and competitions with the chance to win prizes and cash gift cards. Cash gift cards. Cash gift cards. 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 Cards.